Hi guys, welcome to this demo on Salesforce Agentforce. Today we will see how we can use Apex to extend the capabilities of Agentforce. So in this demo, we'll focus on a simple but a useful use case. First, the user provides an account name and the agent fetches the phone number linked to that account. And if needed, the user can also update the phone number directly through the agent. So you can sign up with a DevOps using the link provided in the description below. I have already did that. So let's start. First, we navigate to setup to enable Einstein setup and agents. So first, search for Einstein setup in quick find. As you can see, the Einstein is already turned on for me. You can turn it on. Now let's navigate to agents from quick find. In agents, if you scroll down, you can see Agentforce. It is also turned on for me. You can also turn it on and we are all set. Now we'll create a new agent. Click on new agent button from the top. So here you can see agent for service agent. You can click on that, click on next. Just select the topics. You can add all the topics. Click on next, provide all the details. You can see on my screen. Once agent is set up, you can open it from agents, open it in builder, and from here you can see I have set up my agent with all these details. Then we have to add new topics. You can see I have added account management. All the instructions I have provided. You can find the instructions in the description below. Once your topic is created, we have to create two Apex classes. So for that, I'm navigating to developer console from setup. I have already created the classes. So you will see first account agent controller. To create new class, you can go to file, new, and create Apex class. And this is the second one, update account phone controller. So you can use the code same as shown. You will find it in the description box. So now we'll again search for the agent actions in the setup. You can create new agent action. I have already created. The first one is account phone. You can see it is a Apex type action, and these are the details I have provided. The label is account phone. Some instructions I have provided. You can use the same. Then I have provided input and output settings. So this one is input, this one is output. Similarly, we have to create another action that is update account phone. So I have already created it. I'll simply search and show you update account phone. Yeah. This also is an Apex type action. I have provided all the details to it. Through this, we'll be updating the phone number of an particular account, which we'll be retrieving from the previous Apex class. That was our account phone. Once all this is done, we'll again go to our agent. And once we navigate to the agents and the topic, we'll open our account management topic, which we created. Navigate to this topic section tab, add from asset library. If you click, you will be able to add the classes which we created, account phone and update account phone. So I've already added them. You can add using this button. Once this is done, we are all set to test our agent. Simply activate it, and then I'll first fetch the phone number of an account. So our agent is analyzing our request and providing us the output. So this you can see the phone number on the Acme partners account is this. So now I'll update the phone number using my agent. Once you hit it, agent will update the phone number of that particular account. Yep, this is done. Let's test and check if it is updated on the account layout. So I've refreshed the page and we'll see the changes. That's all.